This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Enjoy the amazing Southwest Florida weather in a quiet neighborhood with this wonderful split floor plan 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home, sold furnished with accessories. The glass double door entry leads into a foyer to the great room overlooking the large undercover lanai, heated pool and beautifully landscaped, private fenced yard. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and access to the lanai. The remodeled master bath has a large vanity, double sinks, and walk-in shower. The guest bedrooms are both spacious and have a separate remodeled pool bath with jetted tub and entrance for convenience. The vaulted ceilings throughout allow for an abundance of natural light to flow through the home. The kitchen has white cabinets, granite countertops, large counter bar, stainless appliances, laminate flooring and tile throughout. You are just minutes away from shopping, restaurants, and great entertainment. Come for your private showing soon. This one will sell quickly. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.